Haham Bishin Bright Sun English Medium Ringnokni Third Foundation de Panda Eba Musamung Hukumu Panda Rock Kraizaka Bishramganj Multipurpose Hornogo.
We have done so many cultural activities in our schools. That kind of activities, school curriculum activities, we are going to be show up in this hall. So I may request all the rest loaded on the dice, all of my respected chief guests, honorable guests, special guests. You have to show up after a few minutes. Let me how the kids, the small kids are have done their activities with expressions. All my teaching staffs, non-teaching staffs, and my grateful to also our parents and my all beloved students. They are always help us to teach them all kind of activities, all kind of such a very delicate situations. They are always help us. They are always help us with dedicated. So that is why we are satisfied and we are come on the dice right now this position. So especially I am thankful to all my respected loaded on the dice, Mrs. Educators, Srimati Patuni, and the permanent educator, and Bishramganj under the permanent educator, our today's president, our Supremo, our President English Medium Chairperson, Mr. Nitan Chandra Devnath, and also our very cultured man of tribal. He is very well known to tribal, to cultural man as a cultural name named Shavabrato Dev Verma. He is very well known person in this under the Bishramganj area. So we are very thankful because I am again also again saying thankful they are come to here to inviting us.